Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Alipay card linking not working. First, make sure that you're entering the card details correctly, including card number, expiry date, and CVV. Next, check if your card is supported by the AlipayHK, as some international cards may not be accepted. Also, ensure that your card is active and not expired, and that it has sufficient balance if verification is required. You may receive an OTP from your bank, so enter it correctly to complete the linking process. If the issue continues, contact your bank to make sure the card is not blocked from online or international transactions. You can also try linking a different card to see if the issue is card specific. That's how you fix the Alipay Hong Kong card linking not working. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out another helpful guide.